Hi guys, got a quick lean improvement video here. This one's brought to you by Scott, who's come up with this great idea. So you can see here we've got the old tyre as a casing as we call it, and it's on the machine ready to be buffed. After it's buffed, this is what it looks like. And to get it to that texture, we use a tool called a buffing head. And it's just a series of blades and spacers, as you can see on this one. So it goes spacer blade, all the way through. Now we've had a problem before about the setup time for this, so Scott's had a great idea on how to improve this. So you can see this is a second one we have, and it's a pin placement that's required to put the blades and the spacers in. Now they can only go on specific pairs. If you try to do it from another section, as you can see here, Scott can't get it down, it just won't fit. The angle's not right. So Scott's come up with a great idea that we're just going to show you. He's added a strong visual control, as you can see here, with some floor marking tape, and all he's done is noted down which ones can take the blades and spacers, and he's put the tape in between them. So anyone coming onto the job now knows immediately where the spacers and blades go. Fantastic improvement.